Hey guys, I'm Robert Borges here at MarineMax Miami, and I'm aboard today a 2023 50 Cantius from Cruisers Yachts. This is a spectacular and very comfortable yacht. We can start here on the swim platform. As you can see, it's a massive swim platform, plenty of room for your tender, also a great space to entertain. You set up some deck chairs here, or the platform will actually go 5 feet into the water with these stairs that form a continuous stairway into the cockpit. So really great hangout space on the boat. Speaking of hanging out, you have the barbecue area back here. Very nicely appointed grill. You have tons of storage under the seat. This whole hatch here will lift up hydraulically, and you have a bunch of storage for your lines, your fenders, your other water toys. So follow me aboard. Back here in the cockpit area, you have plenty of seating, very nice adjustable height table, so that'll actually go down into about the cushion height, so you can make this a whole sunbed out here. Very comfortable seating for two here. You have the aft docking station with a Volvo IPS joystick, so you have full control of the boat in any docking situation. Also, the Sure Shade system will come out all the way out to the back and give you plenty of shade in all of this area. This boat also has a very neat window that hides into this counter system, so it really opens up the boat, opens up the feeling back here. You can be both inside and outside at the same time. Stepping inside the boat, you'll see here a ton of space in the galley area, ton of storage space, convection microwave oven. You have a cooktop over here, so really nice, nicely laid out. Cook all kinds of things for your guests. Nice large sink, dual fridges over here, and with the back window in the down position and the door fully open, you see that it really is one continuous space of entertaining. So you bring the outdoors inside and inside outdoors. Nice TV system here. This area here is actually not only useful for having a quick bite to eat, but it really is a great area to, while the boat is moving, be in the same seating area as the captain. So the guests can be sitting here comfortably while you're cruising to your next destination and having a great conversation with the captain. Really is a very nice social area. Speaking of the captain seating, very comfortable again. You know, the one thing to note about cruisers is comfort. There's comfort. These cushions are plush, armrest, different adjustable height on the helm seat for the captain with this bolster here. So just it's a very comfortable boat. We have everything you need for navigation, dual Garmin glass cockpit here, which gives you all the information for your engines, all the information for your navigation. This particular boat is equipped with the Seakeeper system, and you have the joystick again up here at the helm station with the electronic throttles and automatic trim tabs. Everything you need for a very nice cruising experience. Follow me down below. We have a 3 stateroom layout. Over starboard side, you'll see the bunk layout, plenty of storage. Cruisers is known for their storage. Forward, we have the VIP. VIP stateroom has, again, tons of storage under the bed, full hanging closets on each side, and sharing the bathroom with the day head. You'll see it's a very nicely appointed day head. Wonderful gloss finish on this boat, very high end. Follow me down below to the masters. Master bedroom is a full beam aft bedroom, tons of space, again, tons of storage, beautifully finished cabinetry in that high gloss, and again, comfort. It's about comfort. You have the same comfort you would have at your house on this boat. Wonderful windows on each side here, give you a great view of your surroundings. Washer dryer in here, full hanging closet, and the master bathroom here is also Very nicely appointed. Turn on the lights here for you. So a ton of space on this boat. Great for your family, and even if you're entertaining another couple. And finally, saving the best for last, my favorite space on this boat is the forward lounge area. So whether you're at anchor or cruising idly, this area here really lends itself to entertaining. You have a pop-up table here. Back seats will come up, and you also have a shade system that gives you plenty of shade up here. So this is just a spectacular area. Again, this is a great example of a cruising yacht. Cruisers Yachts prides itself on comfort and ride. So again, powered by IPS Volvo systems. Give me a call. Again, my name is Robert Borges. You can reach me at 305-586-7400, and we're over at Biscayne and 79th in MarineMax Miami. All the best.